Alright, episode 2 of the Great Guitar Build of 2022. This one's about the neck. And I did quite a few design choices that I've never made before. The headstock is quite interesting, if I say so myself. You should stick around and have a look. And I also did something to the fretboard, which I've never done. So I think this is quite an interesting one, even though everybody knows that the neck episodes are always the more boring ones. I assure you, stick around and you'll see for yourself this one's not boring. Alright, so now I'm gonna have to prepare my neck blank. First of all, I'm gonna do a scarf joint, and then I'm gonna actually put some of these veneers again. So I'm gonna slice it lengthwise, not cross, because that might be bad for the stability of the neck, but so lengthwise, so you have a bit of a continuity with the body, and it's gonna look nice. I love the smell of cutting rosewood. So I've proceeded and I've drawn out a nice design for the headstock and the neck. So next up I'm gonna have to cut it out and make a template out of this piece of MDF. And yes, it's a 12 string. Okay, so now that my blank is done, well, I still need to level some parts, so and thickness this part, which means I'm gonna use this safety planer, which despite its name is very scary, to thickness this, and also to get the joint of these two parts a bit more towards the neck. Like this, we get a nice decorative part. Okay, so next up I'm gonna route the channel for the truss rod, and after that I can start thinking about cutting the shape of the headstock and the neck into the blank.
Don't know what to do, no clue what the time is. Guess I must have tried all your expectations.
So now I need to focus a little bit more on the headstock. So since I'm gonna have some of the tuners go this way and the other ones go this way, I need to have two different thicknesses, right? On this side it's gonna have to be thicker than on this side, and to do this I'm gonna use a nice thick veneer, which I'm gonna cut myself from this offcut. It's the mahogany I used for the body, and like this it's gonna be nice and homogeneous. I am also gonna use a little bit of that black and white veneer to yeah, make it even more uniform with the rest of the design. So now I'm gonna drill some holes so I can install this these locating pins. So like this, I don't risk everything moving when I glue it up. And I'm drilling exactly where I'm gonna have the slot for the tuners. Man, do I love it when a concept exceeds expectations. This is definitely one of these instances. I mean, look at this headstock. I am super pleased with it. Look at the veneer and everything. I think it's gorgeous. What can I say without sounding like I'm bragging? But yeah, so we have 6 sideways mounted tuners and 6 top or bottom mounted tuners as well. I don't think I've ever seen anybody do this kind of configuration. So yeah, I made something. All right, so I think I finally lost it. So I had my plan for this nice Coco Bolo fingerboard. I was gonna just do like a little bit of lamination going from one side to the other, easy peasy. And then I saw that 2 other people on this contest are doing exactly the same thing, which is perfectly fine. And, you know, great minds think alike and all of that, but now I feel I can't do this anymore. So in order to one up myself and the others, I'm not gonna do 1, but I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices all along the fretboard. It's gonna give a nice pattern. It's also a lot of work. I can't stand gluing anymore. I think after this I will never use veneer ever again. But yeah, for now it's gonna probably look good, and yeah, hopefully not be disastrous to work with. So, you might be wondering, Stefano, why the hell did you just drill a hole into the back of your neck? Well, actually, on my last build, I screwed up, and I had to put an inlay on the back of my neck, just a little dot, which ended up looking super nice, and I think I'm just gonna keep that as a nice little reminder that any screw hub can actually turn into something nice. So I think that's gonna be one of my signature little things that I'll include in most of my builds. Alright, stop. This video is getting a bit too long. Usually I try to be around 15 minutes, so I'll just conclude with this. The rest of the neck will be done in the beginning of the next one. But yeah, super happy with how it came out. Look at the fretboard. Don't look at the inlays. That's for next time. But yeah, super happy. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Please like and subscribe, as is the custom here on YouTube. And yeah, see you for the next episode, hopefully. And if you haven't seen the first one, I assure you it is worth a watch. And yeah, the waste of your 15 minutes is very, very valuable to me.